Hello and welcome to step 4, how to place your Avon order. So you now know me. My name is Jennifer Woolsey. I'm the team leader of Jennifer's Jewels of Avon, and I'm so excited to be with you guys today and walk you through the final step of getting your business started. And this step is how to place your order. So say hello if you are watching and let me know that you're here, and then we will get right down to business. I'm just checking to make sure. Yes, we are live. Okay, good. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and walk you guys through this process. I'm going to try to keep it as simple as possible. I know that there are different ways to do this. I'm going to share with you my way. And you can find your own system once you get in and start working on these things. I also want to remind you that there is lots of training inside Avon Now and then Avon U training that also helps with the order processing system. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. So I'm going to share my screen. Give me 1 second. I hope my dog doesn't start barking. I can hear him. Okay, we are on avonnow.com. Now I'm doing this from a laptop, but you can also do this on your phone by using the Avon Now app. You can go to your Apple Store or your Play Store and get that app for free. Remember to look for Avon Now. So I sign in with my account number and my password. And so I'm going to go ahead and click sign in here. It's taking its time. Gotta love the computer. Here we go. Okay, so just want to remind you guys while we're in here that you have 2 websites with your Avon business. You have your Avon Now, which is our representative site where we place bulk orders, where we do our trainings over here in Avon U. Where you can get connected with our Facebook page for National Avon. And then you have your website that your customers shop on, and that's your online store. So right here on my store, I'm going to click on that. That's your website address. This is actually mine, but if you're doing this on your system, that's going to be your website address. This is the website that you share with customers and have them shop on and place orders and get directly shipped to their house, and you get the profits. If you missed how to get paid from those online orders, be sure and go back and watch video 1 because I kind of covered that stuff for you guys in that phase. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to click off that. So there's really 2 ways that you can place your orders. I personally, because I've been with Avon for 17 years, and I'm kind of stuck in my old ways, I use the order items button, which is right up here. You can use the search option where you can search for the products that you want to order, or you can use the browse products option to look at each individual product line and pick the things that you need from there. For me, the quickest way is the enter items. Let me show you how that works. So I'm clicking on enter items. Charlie, that's enough. My puppy dog. Okay, so once you get to enter items, this actually automatically is going to pre-populate with your name, but you can change to different customers' names if you want to put your orders in individually by the customer's name. I do all of my customers' names and then I submit at one time. So you can go in and I could pick Amanda Bricky. And I could go in and let's say she wants to order a bracelet. So I'm going to get the 6-digit number here and I'm going to enter that. Tells me the price. So I'm going to add it to my order. And then I could go back and say, okay, well, I need to do the things that I need for my house because right now I'm needing laundry soap and I'm needing some household cleaner. So I'm going to go back here to the household cleaner. Enter that 6-digit number, and I'm going to add that to my order. And then I also need some laundry soap. So let me find that. We're going to add the item number for my laundry soap. Okay. So when I'm entering items, by item number, you can see as I scroll down, it has my items in my order cart. It has my friend Amanda's item in her order cart. Now, another way that you can do this, like I said, is if you weren't sure what the item number is, like on laundry soap, you could go here to search and you could type in laundry soap. Oh, let's see. Telling me there's no items matched. Probably my spelling, if I was guessing. Let me go back in here. Laundry. Okay, and then I'm just going to enter. See, it gives me the stain remover. It gives me the concentrated liquid. Come on, it's taking its sweet time today. And then it brings up all the options, so I can go over here to quick shop and say, oh, okay, that's the one I want. Jennifer Woolsey is the customer. I'm going to add it to my order. Okay, so this fills up your order cart just like if you were shopping on jcpenney's.com or Macy's.com. Every item you enter is added to your little shopping cart that's over here in this top hand corner. So you can also go here to browse products, and you could go to home. Say you're looking for laundry soap, and you're just going to click on home, and it's going to bring up all the products that we have under this category. So here I could get a 3-pack of laundry soap or a 3-pack of dish soap, not quite what I'm wanting. So I'm still searching, and I'm just scrolling down the page. Oh, look at the cute decor. Oh, look, I need some dish soap too. So let's add that in. So I'm adding that to my order. There's some household cleaner, some masks. And so you can just search through each category. There's my laundry soap again. So I'm going to add it to my order. There we go. So you can search by using the browse products and look under each category and find the things that you need. If you're putting in a bulk order, a large order for your customers, I think it's faster to take your brochure and your orders and sit down and look up the numbers and write them all out and just enter them by order number rather than going in and browsing products and adding them all in. That way can get quite confusing. The other way, I forgot the fourth way, you can also shop by our brochures. So instead of shopping by category, you can click here on Shop Our Brochures, and you can actually click through the brochure and add items to your cart there. Here we have our main brochure and our What's News. These are things that are coming out in advance that you can order 2 of each product. So we're just going to stick with the main brochure right now. I'm going to click on that. And there's other flyers and stuff that you can order from here too. Oh, just a quick tip. You can share this brochure with your customers using these icons right here. So I'm going to scroll over, and you can just flip through each page of the brochure. I love this Skin So Soft bath set. So I'm going to click on that bath set or that set. And it's got me selected as a customer. You can change that here if you want to. Change it to different customers. So I'm going to add that to my order. And so this is how you can shop by brochure also. So there's really 4 different ways that you can shop. Okay, so I'm going to go back to browse products, because the final step you want to make sure you do is add any samples to your order that you may want. So I'm clicking on samples. And I do know right now with any Belief pack that you buy, you actually get 30 free Belief samples, which is a really good deal. I love this new artisan perfume, and I think it'll be great gifts for my customers to give for Christmas. So I'm just going to add 1 of each of these. And I know it's added to my order because that pops up. So I added some samples there, and now I'm going to go back to browse products, and I'm going to order my brochures. Brochures are a business expense that you take on as a business owner. So you want to make sure that you order brochures every campaign. My recommendation is to order them 2 campaigns ahead because they can sell out. So currently we are in campaign 24. So I technically would be ordering my brochures for campaign 26 because I order my brochures 2 campaigns ahead. I already have my Campaign 25 brochures in stock. But if you haven't gotten those yet, you could go over here and quick shop. They come in packs of 10, which is $6.49. Or I clicked on view product details and it tells you right here that the more you order, the cheaper they are. So if I wanted to do 50, I'm going to get them for $16.50, and it has the breakdown per brochure here. Okay. So I'm just going to do one English package. Oh, they're no longer available. See, they sell out. Let's go back to brochures. So I'm going to go ahead and go in and get those Campaign 26 brochures because I want to make sure that they do not sell out. So here's Campaign 26. I'm going to pick English and I'm going to add those to my order. Okay. So that needs to also be a step is your samples and your brochures when you are browsing products and adding things to your order. So we have our little shopping cart filled up over here. And I don't know, I'm hoping on the screen that you can see it because my picture's in the top corner. Yes, you can see it. Over here is where my shopping cart is. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to view it. Wow, just my personal order is $163 because I'm going to have to go to the store and replace things. So I might as well order them for myself and get my discount. So I'm going to look here and you can see my brochures are there, my samples, my winter soft collection. I probably don't need 3 laundry soaps. So I'm going to go in here and change that to 1 quantity and it automatically updates. Got my dish soap, got my basket holder. I don't think I want that. So I'm going to remove it. And yeah, I'll leave my dish soap. And then I also have my friend Amanda's order here. Okay. So once I double check everything in my cart and I make sure it's what I want, I'm going to refresh my totals. This tells me that my order total is going to be $124. That is the book cost. My commissions should be $32.44. But since these products are mine, that's probably going to just be my discount. So don't be confused by that. So then I'm going to click on the pink checkout button. Come on, computer. Hey guys, who's watching today? I hope y'all are doing good. Okay, so I'm in the checkout phase and I'm making sure all my products are there. It has my address that I'm shipping to. I can use my cards that I normally use on paying for my orders. So you're going to click there. You're going to put in those last 3 digits of your credit card number. Then you're going to click continue. I technically do not want to place this order, so I'm not going to submit it. I'm just going to talk you through these last couple of steps. So I'm going to put my last 3 numbers there and I'm going to continue. Once I do that, then this submit button over here is going to light up pink. And then I can actually submit my order. If you just pay for it and you don't click on submit, then it doesn't go through. It doesn't process. So the magic to this is making sure that you click on that submit order. Your order isn't submitted until you click on submit. So yes, we do collect our money up front from our customers. You can use the PayPal option. I'm going to show you that. You can use the PayPal option. You can pay by debit or credit card. I a lot of times will send my customers a invoice on PayPal, tell them this is your total, and they will pay me that way. And then my money's in my PayPal account and I can use that to pay my Avon bill. And the rest that's left is my profit to keep. So once you pay for it, then you submit it and your order has been submitted. So that is the steps to how to place your order and submit it to Avon. Yes, in the past, representatives did get credit. About 4 years ago, Avon stopped doing that. So we do collect our money up front, and especially when I'm collecting large orders around the holiday season, I'm making sure to get that money up front because people will order things and then they will buy things other places and they will forget what they ordered. And then when you go to deliver, they may not have the cash to pay for it. So I don't want to mess around with that. So especially during the holiday season, you want to make sure that you are sending your customers an invoice and getting that money ahead of time. Okay, guys. Well, this is how we submit our Avon orders on Avon now. Now, if you are a brand new representative, you want to be sure and go right here and check the order calendar, because this is going to tell you what days you have to place your orders in for each 2-week cycle. And new representatives, your first order is due the week you start your business. So don't delay. Get those first orders in. When they are $60 or more, you're going to get a free gift bundle and a free A box and $10 credit towards your next order. And when they're $200 or more, you're going to get $20 cash back and all of the Pathway to Premier bonuses that we talked about in video number 1. So I hope that this is helpful for you guys. I'm so honored to be your leader and so happy to be here to help with any questions you may have. You can type them in the comment section, or you can private message me, and I'll be happy to help any way I can. So I hope that you have a beautiful Avon day, and thank you for joining. See you all later. Bye, guys.